Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm back with another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you up how you can install Nokia camera with Pro Mode on any Android phone and give it a hands-on. So just need you to go in the description below and click on the link and open this up on whatever browser you prefer. And after you open this up, you get an option called download APK, and then just go need to download this one up. I already downloaded it, so let's open this one up. So here I am. So the camera was pretty straightforward. At the bottom you get the shutter, all the pictures you've taken, and finally the video mode. And on the top you get a 3 hamburger menu, which is I'm going to come in a bit. And after that you get a beautification mode, pretty straightforward. And then you get a dual mode, which is currently don't work on my Android phone. It's probably only work on Nokia phones. Then you get a timer, pretty straightforward. HDR, you know, flash, and then the front camera, as you already know. So it was pretty nice. After that, when tapping that 3-dot menu, you get photo, panorama, pro, and settings. So hopping over to settings, and in the settings section you get shutter control, grid, watermark, mirror photos from front camera, location tagging, data storage. It doesn't work with SD card, so yeah, this is it. And then finally resolution, let's go back to phone, and finally reset settings. So then go to video, you get pretty much the same things. Flash, you get this pretty much the same thing. The flash, the front camera, and picture it doesn't work. Let's go back to that hamburger menu, and here you get video, time lapse, slow motion, and settings. So the settings you get grid, location tagging, device storage also doesn't work with SD card, resolution settings, and finally reset settings. Pretty nice, straightforward. But one of the biggest reasons that I'm checking this one out is the Pro Mode. So you need to swipe it up, and with this Pro Mode you get white balance. No, it's not white balance, it's the exposure control. So you can brighten up the picture if you want, so that's pretty straightforward. Then you get a shutter speed, you get a ISO control, and then you get manual focus, and finally you get white balance. So it's pretty straightforward. So you can swipe it up to clear everything up, and swipe down to remove the Pro Mode. So guys, this is it. This is the Nokia camera with Pro Mode. I hope you liked that video. If you like that, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe me because more videos like that are coming on your way. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.